So I'm just fixing my PlayStation 4 with the stock power button. This is slim model and it's in boot loop mode. It's stuck in set mode. They call it set mode loop. So I open my PlayStation 4 and realize that somehow this core had been broken. Didn't know why water leak in it, and there's some. So I tried to start it on, and then when it go to the set mode, I first restart. After restart, I remove the cover, and then I unblock the core. So now it can go to the install update file. Go to system software update. Let's see how we can go further with this. So I think that the only thing I know is that I will go to eBay and buy another core with connection directly to the power button, and that will fix my PlayStation 4 in the set mode loop. So I hope you guys I hope this can help you guys to fix your PlayStation in the set mode loop. See, because I unblocked the core, so no light at all, but the PlayStation is working. Check signal card. I don't need to check because I know it's working, so it will boot normally. Yeah, finger crossed that will go directly to some good signal, some very good signal. Wait for it. You can hear the disc is starting. Wow, the logo is appear. Was never seen it before. Before I tear out my PlayStation 4 and unplug the core. This one. So you guys have to remove this one. Which connect directly to the PlayStation. See that? Cool. So when I'm waiting for my new core coming from eBay, so I will use my controller to start my PlayStation. Wow, cool. Oh, it fixed. No, I don't need that. Cancel. Definitely. No, Brisbane. It seems good. Next. Yes, of course, I accept. Wow. Look at that. It's working. Awesome. Cool. That's awesome. Hold on a second. There's a game mode already there. Now if you have the PlayStation 4 Slim stuck on set mode, you have to tear down your PlayStation 4. It's very easy. There are thousands of tear down video on YouTube, so you can look for one easily. But don't scary. Just remove the core right after you remove the cover. Nothing more than that. So it's easily fixed. And now I can enjoy my PlayStation 4 and waiting for the new cable coming. So I will update the new videos when I have the new core coming. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.